today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, what the heck is happening to Bitcoin right now? Let's go straight into the charts. Let's talk about my trades, my price targets, a brand new price target I want to reveal today. I want to talk about new up and coming trades on Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and much, much more. Let's go straight into it. And yes, guys, I need your likes on that video. You can literally see here on the YouTube app, I have a video prepared, altcoin season, top 5 cryptos I'm buying right now. Smash the likes to a new all-time high here. I want to see 10,000 likes on that video, and I will publish that altcoin video with top 5 altcoins. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Now let's talk about what the heck is actually going on, dear ladies and gentlemen. We are going here straight into my Bybit dashboard. You can see the XRP trade, $620,000 in a profit, $340,000 already taken, $1 million we made on this one trade alone. Solana 100,000, Sui almost 300,000, Bitcoin trade. Sounds almost crazy. $19.5 million in a profit. Ethereum trade, $1 million in a profit. We are talking $24 million in accumulated profits. And yes, also on Levex, I have all my trades still open. XRP, in total, $430,000 in a profit. Solana, 35,000. BNB, 22. Aptos, a brand new trade. All my followers can see my brand new trades on the platform. Literally what you have to do before I go into the Bitcoin content, you simply have to, let me actually quickly tell you, you simply have to go down to the pinned comment, click the link, register for free, not even a deposit needed, and follow me on Levex. There I post my altcoin picks, my Bitcoin trades, my altcoin trades. You can see the trades in the dashboard in absolute real time before anyone else can see it. Yes, I show everything on YouTube also, but I can't do so in absolute real time as you can do it here. Follow me, it's free. 14,000 people did it already before you. Join me right now. Let's talk about Bitcoin. And man, I mean, what is happening to Bitcoin right now? The price is at almost $99,000. The question is, are we breaking the 100,000? Well, if I were to go over quickly here into the Bitcoin chart, then you will realize that, let me quickly go into it here. Of course, the connection is not the best. You will realize that I already mentioned a price target before of round about 100. Let me quickly go into the face cam. Round about $102,000 on Bitcoin. And I had another price target at 102, But there's another price target I want to keep a very close eye on, which I think this price target is a realistic one for this year. You might call me crazy. I will tell you this price target towards the end of the video. Let's focus on something else first. What you have to understand is that it's all about smart money and dump money. What you can see here is the black line, that's the Bitcoin price. The red line is the short-term holders for Bitcoin. Let's call it the dump money. I don't want to be disrespectful, but we have to call this the dump money because short-term holders are buying and selling on a daily basis. They don't really understand the long-term value of Bitcoin, whereas long-term holders are holding Bitcoin for at least a year or longer. They more understand that, and they are less driven by emotions. That's the smart money. It's usually also early adopters, right? So if we are going in here, you can see that the blue line is way less volatile and also negatively correlating with the red line. That means when short-term holders are buying, dump money is buying, smart money is selling. And at every single bull run, you see that the long-term holders start to sell and the short-term holders start to buy. Every time you see it, the blue line going down, the red line going up. And now look at this, just right now, a few weeks ago, the long-term holders started selling and the short-term holders started buying. A clear indication that this is the begin of a massive bull run, not only for altcoins, but also for Bitcoin. You see it, and there is still more upside, but we have to take note. Once this settles, once the short-term holders start to sell and the long-term holders stop selling, other way around, sorry, that is the moment we have to pay very close attention, and that will be the moment I will update you when this bull market might come to a halt. Another one is this yearly candles. You see, every time the yearly candle breaks the previous all-time high, the bull market starts. This happened right now. Usually we have 2 years afterwards. So 2025 will be most likely a green candle. But what I want to tell you is, it's most likely only gonna be green in the first few months, and then we will have the start of the bear market. It's still gonna be a green candle, but I think within the next 6 months, this bull market is most likely going to be over, much sooner than everyone thinks. And now, what is my price target? For this year at least. I still think January, February, March, maybe even April, are most likely going to be bullish, bull run for Bitcoin upside. Yes, with, of course, small breaks. But what we can see here is this cup and handle pattern. And I talked about that before, but I definitely want to make sure that you take note of that. What you can see is that this cup and handle pattern still has significant more upside. And I think that this target can be reached within this year of 120,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. Let me know your price targets. And yes, I will open my next trade very, very soon. You can see them live in my Levex dashboard down below. Click register deposit. You don't even have to deposit, but if you do deposit, you get a 1-to-1 match up to $5,000 in a long or short position on an altcoin of your choice. Also with the link down below. Thank you so much for watching. Dear ladies and gentlemen, we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.